Welcome back to Bakes Foods. In this video we're making venison pot roast in the Crockpot pot clocker and a Crockpot slow cooker. So I've got my venison roast here. This is a neck shoulder roast from a deer we got last season. Venison is a perfect candidate for slow cooking as it is a little leaner meat. This recipe will also work for beef roast. Chuck is a great choice for this, so you can follow the same steps and just substitute in some beef. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut this open, get it rinsed up, and then I like to take it out about 2 to 3 hours before I'm gonna cook it, and then season it up and let the seasoning marry in there. In this case, we're just gonna use salt because we're gonna season the crock pot. Let's get into it. Okay, with our crock pot on the low setting, we're gonna go ahead and add our roast directly in there to the bottom. So now we can add all of our ingredients right on the top. We're just gonna load this stuff on top here. Try not to throw it on the floor. There we go. So now we're gonna add a little bit of salt to the vegetables. So I've already seasoned the roast in here with about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of salt, and another teaspoon on the veggies. You don't wanna go too overboard with the salt as we're gonna add broth, and that will have a lot of sodium in it as well. So let's go ahead and add our liquid. And yes, we do need to add liquid for this. 1.5 cups of beef broth here. This is great for venison. You can use a vegetable broth as well. I'm just gonna pour that right over top of the vegetables. And then we're gonna add a little less than a cup. This is a measuring cup here. I'm gonna do about 3/4 of a cup of red wine. Now this is a Cabernet. You're gonna wanna use a dry, semi-dry wine. You don't want a too sweet of a wine here. And we're just gonna add that into there. Now the wine is gonna add a nice flavor, darken that up, and it's also gonna help tenderize that roast. Our bay leaves on top, and a little bit of cilantro or parsley to garnish. Trying to let it drain, but it's so heavy.
Oh my god!
Stop falling apart. Oh, that's tender. Now we're gonna take the juice, liquid, we're gonna pour it into a pan, and then we're gonna make it into a gravy on the stove. All right, here it is, guys. Here is our venison slow cooker pot roast. Let's give it a try. I don't even need a fork. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments section down below. Like and subscribe for more videos. And until the next one, Bakes out.
Bakes out. Tender.
Oh, yeah, baby.